Good evening, OPOS stars. We'll be doing the idli sambar today. First, you make the spice paste with all this. 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida and 4 dry red chilies, all roasted and blended to a paste with minimal water. So this will be the spice paste. Slightly more than 1 cup, half a cup sarmas, cut into halves, shallots or squash. Another half a cup, 1.5 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Spice paste, I'm going to place it like this. Squeezed cup. So we'll make sambar idli at one shot. Fill it almost 3/4. So it is 5 cups of batter, idli cups. Put it over these cups like this, a bit of batter into over the cups like this. Just close. There is your sun. Let it sit and retain heat for 5. Take out the idlis. The dal is cooked to a mush. Mash everything. To the consistency you like. Some bottle tadka. The idlis, put them in, unmold these idlis, put them, you can just unmold these idlis like so, and it'll be perfect. So there you go, restaurant size portion. 3 to 4 people. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. And all done in 15 minutes flat. Try this out and please post your validations.